Hi everyone, my name is Chanda Kafour. I'm the owner and founder of Jobim Clothing, where we give you African flair for your everyday wear. So welcome back to another edition of Tutorial Thursdays. Get excited. I know you've been waiting for it because you've been tuning in every week, right? Okay, so today we're featuring one of our skirts that we have that actually has a matching head wrap to go with it. So if you want to get into this look, continue watching and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you later. Out here filming another edition of Tutorial Thursdays because that's what we do, right, babe?
Correct.
This is the #1 videographer if you don't know.
Yeah.
Y'all, this is dedication because it's high-key cold out here. I don't have no jacket on. This is long sleeve t-shirt. He bundled up. I'm jealous, but yo, it's a wrap. So let's go.